Hi friend, Marian here. So, galing ako sa office today. We're given this mass. So, let's pray for Taal Volcano. So, sabi nila hindi pa siya nag-erupt eh. Today is Monday. So, yesterday siya nag-start to show that volcanic ash and akala ko it's already erupting but hindi pa pala. So, we're still at as of now Monday night alert level 4 pero sabi nga it's not yet erupt. So let's pray na hindi na siya tuloy ma-erupt kasi right now hindi pa siya nag-erupt pero yung ashfall niya is damaging to our health, especially those nearby here nga we are in Bulacan pero meron ding ashfall. So let's pray na mag-stop na yung volcanic eruption or activity sa Taal Volcano. Let's continue to pray for more, for safety, for all of us, for our country. Have a great day, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. God bless.